to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX. I'd like to start by pointing out this very luxurious and wide swim platform we have on the back. And if you lift it up, there is plenty of storage underneath for all of your toys and bells and whistles. This Sea Ray is also equipped with the sea deck on the swim platform and the spacious walkthrough leading into the cockpit, as well as a Mercury 200, which pushes this boat well through the water. It also has a tow bar for all of your wall-in-the-water activities. It's included with a nice tan interior, as well as a built-in cooler for all of your beverages while you're out on the water. This Sea Ray comes with two captain's chairs, port and starboard side, with lift-up bolsters, as well as dual gauges and the 8-inch Simrad electronic gauge. Has plenty of storage underneath the helm, as well as the built-in ski locker. Also, on the passenger side, we have a nice dash to store things while you're out on the water that you may not want to get wet. Has a walk-through windshield that leads into wraparound seating with built-in speakers. It has plenty of room, as well as built-in hidden cup holders to keep them out of your way so there's no accidental spilling. If you're interested in this 2020 210 SPX Sea Ray, please contact MarineMax Pensacola, or we're always open at MarineMax.com.